How to delete top searches on Netflix. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can delete top searches on Netflix. So you just want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, if you're talking about the top searches, so right over here, if I open Netflix app and then I log into one of my profiles, and then if I tap on the profile icon or the search box from the top right, you'll be able to see all the top searches. Now you have to understand that these top searches are not deletable, because this is just like the trending and the explore section you see on YouTube. Those are some things that you cannot really get rid of because people are watching and YouTube wants to recommend to you some of the best and most popular shows. It's as similar as that. So you can see top searches over here. This means that these are some of the searches that other people who are also streaming Netflix are actually searching as of the moment. So you have to simply be understandable of that as well. Top searches are simply a recommendation by Netflix itself, and there's no way you can actually delete it. And you might be also asking about search history. Well, Netflix does not track your search history, it only tracks your viewing history. So you can go ahead and delete your viewing history, but as I said earlier and as I repeat again, these are top searches and these are recommendations from Netflix. It has got nothing to do with you, and it's not really about what you search as well. But hope this video helped you and I cleared the confusion. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.